We are looking at how many thousand?
16.
16,000 Black Cat firecrackers right there. 16,000. If you were to lay that out in a straight line,
It'd reach from here to Milwaukee, you know?
it's probably a 100-foot roll or
At
something.
least.
So this thing is going to. This is probably like a stick of dynamite almost.
Here, since that one's torn, I promised AD he could have them. So do me a favor, hold on to that. Here you go. And do not, please don't break it.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Let's keep this punk alone. Keep this a little bit.
Oh, do we need to stand clear?
Well, I'm going to unroll part of it.
This is
Cool most of the coal.
Yeah, there it is.
Wow. 16,000. You think that's almost like a stick of dynamite?
Oh, I think it's probably at least that.
Longer than that.
And we're rolling it. We're unrolling it here. We're rolling out the red carpet.
Ready for the finish.
Oh, that's terrible.
You gonna blow all that up?
Oh, we're about to. You got a tree stump we need to uproot?
Are you sure about this? I mean...
Yeah, I'm sure about it. Okay. Here we go.
Let's back up.
We're going.
16.
20 foot unraveled, the rest of it's piled.
16,000. 16,000.
That's got a lot fast, Dave.
Holy cow.
Lights off.
Huh?
You need to move over here with your camera and see that.
Is that annoying, guys? I'm sorry. Whoa, they're with the ozone.